Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to actually buy Bitcoin with Cash App. So in this tutorial guys, we will keep using Paxful.com, which is a website that will allow us to trade and buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with multiple ways and multiple payment getaways. So without even talking, let's get ahead with this video. But first, please guys, make sure to watch this video from now till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's go to paxful.com. So here it is, paxful.com, and this is the website. Now what you have to do is click on register from over here, and now just put here your email address and then your password. So let's do this real quick. As you can see, .lopextra.com, gmail.com, and here I will have to put my password. So let's create a password and create account. Now we have to slide this so we are not a robot. So here we go. I'm not a robot, thanks God. And now let's go to the next step, which is verifying our account. So let's wait a little bit until it loads. And here is the email verification. So let's go to our Gmail from here, and let's open our mail and Paxful. Copy this and let's paste it over here. Now this is our code validator directing. Now let's wait a little bit, and here we are in our account. So now what can we do to actually buy Bitcoin with Cash App? Let's go here to buy. So in this website you can either sell or buy, so you can do whatever you like. So here I'm going to click on buy, and here you can see find Bitcoin, and let's give this tower. So buy Bitcoin, and here you will find multiple offers. So how you can actually find the offer that will be compatible with you? You can just go to here buy, and here you have to choose the pay via. So with what kind of payment do you want to pay with? So here I'm going to choose all payment method, and here I'm going to click on online wallets. So we can choose this, and let's search for Cash App, which is over here. As you can see, you can pick multiple options other than Cash App, so there is like infinite amount of options. So here it is, like this here, 200, 60, 100 of bank transfer, 200 of online debit cards, 19 gift cards, 133 digital currencies. So like imagine you can pay with eBay gift card in here guys, like you can buy something with it. Here you can get the cash payments, here goods and services, like you can like buy sell cash for it or game items, etc. And so go on. So if I click here for game items, you can find it over here. Now let's go here and just choose Cash App, as you can see. So here we go, and here how much amount you want to spend or to buy from Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy, for example, 10k. Let's say this is an example, not real. And then find offers. So this is the only offer that actually allows me to buy from my like 10k of Bitcoin. Let's try to offer location and make it worldwide. Let's find offers. So it is the only option. So let's try to make it larger or bigger, for example. Can we find any offers? It is the same person. So now what you can do to actually buy it, just click in here to buy. And now as you can see, I will pay this amount of PKR in order to get this amount of Bitcoin. So we need some additional details. So now I'm going to start verifying my account. But first guys, before we start doing that, please make sure that the buyer is actually in a good state. He has multiple positive feedback, and the trade limit is like about 30 and 15 minutes, because imagine that the person is about 6 hours of trade time. That means you will have to stay stuck to your PC or your mobile waiting for that person to send you a message. Now so we have 30 minutes. That's gonna be pretty much easier than 6 hours. Now let's go to start verification, and here you must add a phone number, like a username which is legal, and here to confirm your code. So it is mandatory to set answer to your security question in case you have to reset change phone number set answers. So here you have to put everything about you, And now let's go to security. So as you can see, fill this information with your security, add some information about you. And finally here guys, you have to put your payments method. So in our case, we will add an online wallet. So let's add new, pick one, and here you just have to choose, for example, whatever you have from wallets. So online wallets, let's choose this. And here you just have to put the URL of your online wallet and you must have it in here, or else you can just put here your bank account and you can just put then next bank name, account holder, etc. Then you can add your accounts. Now when you finish with all of this and you buy your Bitcoin, you will find all the money in your Cash App application. And this is guys like pretty easy to have. So you just have to go to your application, open it, and you will have the money in there. And if you had any kind of problem, of course, you didn't receive the money or anything happened, you can just go ahead and contact the support of this website, and they are currently like always in and they will always answer you. And yeah, so once more, guys, if you didn't verify your account, it will not allow you to buy anything. So make sure that your phone number is verified and the two-factor authentication is also enabled. So how to do that? Click here to verify yourself. Here you just have to put your phone number, confirm, then they will call you or send you an SMS. Put the code here and then just here just like you put it here and then click on submit. So let's try it. For example, here let's try to put my phone number real quick. So here we go. I'm not really remember my phone number, so I'm gonna check it on my phone. um Here it is. All right, so 45 73 54 and 94. Here I'm going to click on confirm, and here it is the miss SMS. So let's see if they sent me anything. um at the moment I didn't receive anything actually, so code sent. Can you call me, guys? I'm waiting for your SMS. So I didn't receive anything actually, guys. So let's see if there is any other way. Let's use a phone call instead. So enable to send code to exceed the maximum amount of retries. All right, I think there was a problem. So okay, here it is. So now I have received it. So 30 35 81. Click on submit, and here we are. So my number now is confirmed. Now what you have to do is simply go to your Gmail to make sure that you have verified ID verification, and you will find this. So click on verify my ID to verify your ID. And now as you can see here, put your country, for example in my case Morocco, in here the type ID, so ID card, start the verification process. And here all you need to do is just upload the image of it and some information about you. So before you start, prepare your identity document and make sure it's valid. We are and also required to you agree to the process of your personal data. So let's do that, and here we go. So let's choose ID card, and now this is like the how you must take a picture of it. So make a good picture of it, continue on phone, open this application on phone, take a good picture, then click on next. Give it 3 days for them to actually verify you, and everything will be settled up, and you can now start buying and selling on this website. So just do this process and your money shall be bought in your Cash App. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.